out here in Northwest Reno, again on Bartlett Street, adjacent to UNR. At our new listing, it's 121 Bartlett Street. This great house is 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a little less than 1,200 square feet at 1,188. Great rental income history. Tenants would like to stay. However, there's an opportunity if you're a first-time home buyer to score a great house. Steps away from the university, under $450. If you want more information, check out our website or give us a call. Otherwise, let's go take a look at this beautiful property. Let's go.